Hello viewers and friends. Just today I am going to teach you the Visargasya Lopaha. It is the Sandhi Sandhi Vichit, the part of that NCRT of class 10. So before teaching this Visargasya Lopa, I have to request you please, if you didn't yet subscribe my channel, do the subscribe. So in future, whatever the video I will upload, it should be brought into your notification and you will enjoy that. Now, today I am going to teach you the Visargasya Lopaha. Visargasya Lopaha, whatever it is there in Visarga Sandhi, but I am always that hungry of that marks. I need obtained marks, 4 marks in Sandhi Sandhi Vichit correctly. For the students, I always need these things. That is my intention. So here, today you see that Visargasya Lopa in NCRT part 1, there are three certain roles. Lopa, Visargasya Lopa, there are 3 parts. Ka, Kha, Ga, 3 part is there, or you can say rule 1, rule 2, rule 3. But apart from this, 3 more are there. That is called Ratva Sandhi, Sattva Sandhi and Uttva Sandhi. That is also I will teach to you in future. But here you follow the certain things I wrote here. Visargasya Lopaha means Visarga omitted by the following rule. There are 3 rules. This is the first rule today I am going to teach you. First of all, you note down these things in your note copy. Then you can understand slowly. What I wrote here, Saha and Esaha, or it is the definition, Saha and Esaha. After this, if there is any other vowel or consonant except A, you can put here one comma also, no problem, except A, then Visarga is omitted. I repeat, Saha and Esaha. Or you can say Saha or Esaha. After this, if there is any other vowel or consonant except A, then Visarga is omitted. Slowly try to understand, or whatever the definition I wrote here, if you could not understand after reading this, better I wrote here short form you see. Same thing whatever written here, it's short form in the Manjusa or in the box I mentioned here. You must remember this formula, then you will get the solid marks. You will never commit in mistakes in exam hall. So this is the definition and I wrote the short form. The short form has more value, more important. What I wrote or what I am telling and tally it from there to there. Saha and Esaha. So Saha and Esaha or Saha or Esaha. After this means after this plus, means after this, okay, after this, sorry my little, this one disturbing, okay. So after this means after plus, if vowel or consonant will be there, okay. So vowel in the sense O, A, I, U, A, O, these are the vowel. And consonant kuchu tutupu means ka, kha, ga, ga, ya, cha, cha, ja, ja, gya, ta, ta, da, da, murdana, ta, tha, da, da, dantana, pa, pa, ba, ba, ma, ya, ra, la, wa. These are the consonant. But only one thing that will except O, or here also I wrote except O, means this part after plus O won't be there. O should not be there here. Okay. So Saha or Esaha, this part, this side, left side, followed by vowel or consonant, but except O, means O should not be there. O won't be there. So what will be the consequence? The consequence, Visarga omitted. Means this Visarga will finish. Visarga will disappear. Example you try to understand. Saha, I wrote here Saha or Esaha. The Saha or Esaha. Okay. Plus vowel or consonant. One example I give vowel, one example I give for consonant. So what is their vowel? A is the vowel. Okay. So A here means this part O should not. What I wrote no except O means this part O should not be there. Okay. The Saha plus Eti. What happened? It's equal to consequent Sa Eti. Here you see Visarga omitted. Visarga won't be there. Visarga disappear. Okay. Esah. This esah plus consonant. Maybe this place vowel. Maybe this place consonant. You don't think like this. Okay. After sa, vowel or consonant except o. Then visarga omitted. So esa afterwards what is there? Consonant. Consonant is there. Ya. Ya is the consonant. So what happened here? Visarga won't be there. Here visarga is there. Here visarga won't be there. Here visarga is there. Here visarga not there. Okay. This is the main thing. So mainly you have to keep in mind this part which is written in the box, or you can say this manjusa. This formula, if you will not forget, automatic, and afterwards you just do practice from your question bank, OSWAL, or your guidebook, or some example. Maybe you may get textbook. You that time underline it. Do that one practice. These things must do practice. It is marks if you need, then you have to do the practice. Hope you understand. Next video I will make the kha rule, means second number rule. Okay. Thank you.